Golf is expensive and it takes a long time to play. And if you want to get any good at it, you have to practice, and that takes time and money too. But there is a way to practice golf on the cheap. Here's how. You will need a ball, some paracord, an eyelet, some kind of spike, and foot powder. Foot powder? Yes, foot powder. Where you hit the ball on the club face is far and away the most relevant factor. If you can hit the ball somewhere between here and here on the club face, then you are doing very well. Never mind stuff you have heard about plane, or weight shift, or wrist hinge, or grip pressure, or how you should stand, or your knee flex, or the thousand other things golfers talk about. Strike is king, and foot powder does an amazing job of showing you where you are hitting your ball. Okay, start with your ball and your eyelet. Take your eyelet and drive it into the ball. If you have any trouble with this, you could try drilling a hole first. Then, feed your paracord through the eyelet. Make a knot in the end and cut it off. Because this is paracord, you are likely to have frayed ends after you cut it. You can seal those up with a lighter. The last step is to attach the other end of your rope to a spike and stick that in the ground. And you're done. So that's basically it. All the materials are readily available. I got all mine at Home Depot. I think the total price was under $25, and that included a lot more paracord than I needed. This setup has certain limitations. Most notably, you don't get a sense of the spin that you're putting on the ball, but you do get to see quite a bit more of the result than you would if you were using a net, assuming you have the space. If you don't have the space to use the paracord, you could still use the foot powder with a net, and you'd still get a lot out of that as well. Alright, good luck.